guys, welcome back to my channel. So today for you, I have a very short video for you today. It is the EXO Cosmetics mystery bag. So I ended up getting the $100 mystery bag, and I'm actually really excited to see what's in here. I haven't tried any of her products. This is Yvette XO's makeup line. So I'm actually pretty excited to see what is in this box. So let's just open it. Ooh. Okay, so, oh wow, okay. Oh, nice. There are 6 pairs of lashes here. This is pretty cool. These are the day to night duo, and it comes with the clear lash glue. And then we have XO, which are these. These are really dramatic. I love these. Who Is She? Basic. And another Who Is She. So we have 2 Who Is She's. I actually really like these. These are really nice. Like, they flare out. I've been wanting to try her lashes. I just never got around to it. And I figured when she was doing the mystery box, I was like, she's gonna have to put some lashes in there. I already know it. So. And then there are 2 sponges. These are the EXO makeup sponges. So I'm excited to try these. Can never have enough sponges in your makeup collection. And then I got 2 brushes. So this is the EXO 106 and 113. It looks like just a normal blending brush and a little pencil brush, like a little flat brush. Okay, so the last thing is in this bubble wrap. And I'm kind of hoping this is what I think it is. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is what I thought it was, and I was hoping it was. This is her eyeshadow palette that she came out with. Honestly, I was eyeing this eyeshadow palette because it's perfect for the fall. It has like the perfect fall colors that you'll need. So I'm excited for this. Okay, so that's basically it, you guys. I'm telling you, it's super short, maybe 3 minutes top video, but I did want to show you guys what I got in the EXO $100 mystery bag. I'm actually pretty happy with everything I got. It's a pretty good amount of stuff for $100. So I'm actually kind of excited. I'm actually really excited to try out her lashes and everything. So, yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this short-ass video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every single time I upload. I do upload 3 days a week. Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!